Okay, guys. It's a beautiful weekend. Okay, so we will be checking out all these assets one after the other to see what we should look out for throughout this weekend. Okay, so just like you guys have known, it is also an opportunity for you to learn the same strategy which we have been using within the channel. Okay, our winning strategy, you get to learn it right here so that you too can also apply it wherever you are. Okay, so this is very, very important. But before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content, can you give me a follow right now? Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, and of course, guys, if you have any question, can you drop your question for me down there in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. So let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay. So we are starting with GainX 1200. I'm on 15 minutes time frame and I'm using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator on my charts. Okay. And of course, guys, we only follow the trend. That is what we are focusing on, and the custom made indicator I'm using makes it very easy for me to know when the trend is on downtrend or when the trend is on uptrend. Right here, the trend was on downtrend at this spot. Okay, that's sell signal, and it sold for a very long time. So right now it has gotten to the support zone and it is switching from a downtrend into an uptrend, and we've gotten a buy signal and it is buying, guys. It is buying. So this is going to be giving us more buying opportunity right from there. Okay, so let's see how far it will go. For those that are having the trading tool, I expect you guys to have come in somewhere here and should have placed your stop loss at this spot, and of course place your order, and this will have given you profit right now. So you should be in profit right now. So where do you think this is actually heading to? Okay, so first of all, we should expect it to get to this particular spot. Okay, and if it should break out from here, if it breaks out from there, rather, it should get to this particular region. Okay, so this is very, very important. So this is more of a buying opportunity at the moment. Okay, not to say if the trend or when it is true with the uptrend. I decided to bring it down to um 1 hour time frame to see what we have on 1 hour time frame. Okay, so for 1 hour time frame, it is a general downtrend. For 1 hour downtrend, well, for 1 hour time frame, okay, it is a general downtrend. It is still going to sell more, but for now the pullback is on uptrend at the moment. So once the pullback is over, then definitely it will be the downtrend. I just want you to have that at the back of your mind. Okay, so right now it is buying. Okay, so let's see how far it will go with the buy. Okay, I expect it to get to this particular spot, sure, but if it breaks out from here, it should get to this region. If it does not, it will go back and break out from this particular support region. It will break out from here to give us more selling opportunity, but for now it is buying. Okay, now let's see. This is GainX 999. Okay, the next 999 actually switched from an uptrend into a downtrend, and it has been selling since then, guys. It has been selling. Okay, if you actually wanted to trade the signal, the downtrend, I expect you to have placed your order somewhere here, and of course set your stop loss at this spot, and of course this should have given you lots of profit right now. Okay, so and this is still selling right now. Okay, we just need to break out from here. If it breaks out from here, then definitely it will be getting to this region. So this is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity, except if it's unable to break out from there. Now let's move on to PinX 1200. Okay, just like you have seen, guys, we are only focusing on the trend, and we are supporting the signal that supports the trend. Okay, that is what we are doing. Okay, and we're on 15-minute time frame. So once you know this, then you save yourself of so many stress that you are most likely to encounter if you are trying to find your way around the charts. Okay, so this actually got to the support region at this spot. It was unable to break out from there, and of course it switched direction from a downtrend into an uptrend, from a downtrend into an uptrend. You can see from this red color into this yellow color, okay, which signifies an uptrend. So what should you do? I expect those that are having this trading tool to have come in around there, place your order around there, and set your stop loss somewhere here, and this will have given you a lot of profit right now. Okay, this actually got to this particular resistance zone, but it was unable to break out from there. That is why it had this pullback. To try it out again, once it breaks out from there, then it should be getting to this particular spot. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so this is still more of a buying opportunity right now for Paynex 1200. Now let's check out Paynex 999. This is Paynex 999, and Paynex 999 has actually got into this resistance zone, was unable to break out from there. So it switched from an uptrend to a downtrend, but finds it difficult to break out within this support region. So it went back, it had a pullback, a major one, which switched back into an uptrend and got to this resistance zone, and of course that switched back into a downtrend right now. So this is still going to sell more. So if you have not placed your order before, I expect you to place a new order right now. Put your stop over here, and of course you can I expect that you should have placed your order at this point. This is your entry point, okay? So you can sell, keep on selling till the end of the trend, okay? But if you miss out from there, then right here is a breakout which has just happened, and of course you can also wait for this, okay? So let's do a new setup for this, okay? So if it should break out from there, I'll I would like it to also break out from here. So this should be your entry point right here, should be your entry point. Then you put your stop loss, your new stop loss somewhere here, okay? And of course, once that happens, okay, so you can set your TPs. Let's say the first TP should be somewhere here, and of course, let's see the second TP, okay? Sorry, let me pick this, okay? So the second TP should be around here. Let's set the third one. Right here should be the third one. Okay, so you can see this is going to give you lots of profit at the end of the day if you decide to go with this. Okay, so you can still come in once there is a breakout. This is your entry point. So you come in right from there and you milk the market right from there. So it is as simple as that. Let's check out FX volume 80. FX volume 80 also started an uptrend at this spot, gave us an uptrend signal, and of course a buy signal. It had a little pullback but went back up to get to this region. If you had placed your order at this spot and set your stop loss somewhere here, you can see you will be in big profit right now. So this is still buying at the moment, except if it's unable to break out from here. That is when it will not buy again. Okay, so I expect it to still go back up to break out above this to get to the next resistance zone, which happens to be here. Okay, so that is it. So you should take note of that and take advantage, even though it has gone too far already. But for those that are having the trading tool, they will have taken advantage of it right from here, and of course they should be in big profit right now. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.